want to thank you for your good afternoon, gentlemen of the press. This is the communique issued at the end of the 101 meeting of the National Executive Committee, the NEC of People's Democratic Party, today, Thursday, 24th July 2025. The National Executive Committee of our great party, the People's Democratic Party, at its 101 meeting today, Thursday, 24th July 2025, extensively deliberated on the state of the party and resolved as follows. 1. NEC expressed satisfaction over the resolution of all contentions and disagreement within the party, which again demonstrates the ingrained patriotic disposition of the PDP members and our party's democratic principle of dialogue, mutual understanding and commitment to the overall interest of the PDP and the common good of all Nigerians. 2. NEC reassures all party members and Nigerians that the PDP remains a strong, united, cohesive, stable and focused political party, repositioned to effectively play its role as the leading opposition party in galvanizing all efforts towards rescuing our dear nation from the catastrophic misrule of the All Progressive Congress. 3. Pursuant to the foregoing, NEC approved the year 2025 elective national convention scheduled to hold on Saturday, 15th to Sunday, 16th November 2025 in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital. Consequently, NEC directed the National Chairman, His Excellency Ambassador Ilya Damagun, and the National Secretary, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, to officially write to inform the Independent National Electoral Commission of the time, venue, and agenda of the elective national convention in accordance with the requirement of Section 82, Subsection 1 of the Electoral Act 2022 and Part 2, Sub 12 of the Regulations and Guidelines for Political Parties 2022. Accordingly, NEC approved the membership composition of the National Convention Committee as well as the membership composition of the National Convention Zoning Committee to ensure a successful, transparent, and credible elective national convention. 6. In its determination to preserve all the electoral mandates given to our party by Nigerians across the country, NEC directed the National Working Committee to take immediate legal action to recover the seat of all 7 members of the National and State Assembly elected on the platform of the PDP but defected to another party. By virtue of the self-executory provision of Section 68(1)(g) and Section 109(1)(g) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, such defectors have irredeemably lost their seats, there being no division or merger with regards to the PDP. 7. NEC expressed serious concern and frowns at the reported participation and involvement of some party members in the activities, meetings, and gathering of another political party. NEC calls on these members to reconsider their actions and show loyalty and commitment as members of the PDP, especially as the law does not permit membership of 2 political parties at the same time. 8. NEC reassures such members of the successes recorded so far in addressing their concerns and issues relating to our party. 9. NEC says that the PDP as the leading opposition party and platform of choice for Nigerians remains open in working with other well-meaning and like-minded citizens in the collective effort to rescue our nation from the stranglehold of the rudderless and insensitive APC administration. 10. NEC reassures of PDP's belief in democracy and its commitment and readiness to be at the forefront in driving the aspiration of Nigerians to oust the APC and install a people-oriented government on the platform of the PDP come 2027. Then NEC adjourn and fixes its next, that is 102nd meeting to Monday, 25th August 2025. Thank you very much for listening.
Well done.